Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Babcock Davis number 1468 RH-KIT-spring-YEL. This is a yellow replacement compression spring that's used on their roof hatch assemblies. The yellow is specifically related to its compression capacity, what kind of load it's intended to do. Overall length is about 9 1/8. The yellow means that it is 135 pound and that it has a wire diameter of 0.243, and according to my caliper, it's 0.246. Yellow code is here. Okay. Replacement spring, not unusual. Actually, quite in fact, very common to sell replacement springs because they do fatigue and fail with time. People will also remove the spring to get greater access to the door, to disassemble its ability to work correctly, and the springs don't get put back. And then 10 years later, someone says, "Where are the springs?" Is why that happens. There's a link below this video to the document called Cut Sheet, and that's handy because it will give you the part number for all of the different color codings of the springs for both a steel base and then a coated spring, which you would use if you were doing a non-ferrous application, stainless or aluminum. And then the top two part numbers in that table on the cut sheet are the lifting mechanisms themselves. They don't include springs. You have to then pick the spring that you need, and there you go. Speaking of picking the spring that you need, don't guess at it at all. If there's any guesswork involved, email us a photograph of the unit, tell us the size, tell us the composition, okay, what it's made of, and we'll get a recommendation from the factory as to what spring it ought to be and ought to have been at the time of installation. And that would permit you to have a very safe, reliable installation of having a spring control that door on your roof hatch. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Babcock Davis products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Babcock Davis, part number 1468 RH-KIT-spring-YEL for yellow, or any other Babcock Davis product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.